Hi there. I'm Anita Bonita, and this is Ask Anita, where you send us your questions about New York City, and we give you the answers. Today's question comes from Cynthia in Great Neck. Which iteration of the Supreme Court had the most justices born in New York City? That's a very timely question for Women's History Month, Cynthia, because the time was 2010 to 2020, and the answer was 3, each from a different borough. First, there was the notorious RBG, the second woman ever to serve. Joan Ruth Bader was born on March 15, 1933, at what was then called Beth Moses Hospital in Borough Park, Brooklyn. She was nominated to the court in 1993 by President Bill Clinton. The New York City Department of Transportation honored her in 2024 with the co-naming of Ruth Bader Ginsburg Way outside her alma mater of James Madison High School in Midwood. Next was Justice Sonia Sotomayor, the first Latina on the court, nominated by President Barack Obama in 2009. She was born at Flower Fifth Avenue Hospital, grew up in the Bronxdale houses in Soundview, which has since been renamed in her honor, and moved to Co-op City when she was 16. After her graduation from Yale Law School, she was an assistant district attorney in the office of Robert Morgenthau, and later served on the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York. And finally, Justice Elena Kagan, also nominated to the court by President Obama in 2010. She was born in Manhattan and grew up on the Upper West Side, in a third-floor apartment at West End Avenue and West 75th Street. Her brother Mark was Mayor Zohran Mamdani's history teacher at the Bronx High School of Science. My favorite Justice Kagan moment came from her confirmation hearing on June 29, 2010. We'll let her tell the story.
I just asked you where you're at on Christmas.
You know, like all Jews, I was probably at a Chinese restaurant.
By the way, if you want to add another borough and extend it to justices raised in New York City, from 2010 to 2016, our Big Three served with Antonin Scalia, who was born in Trenton, New Jersey, but raised in Elmhurst, Queens. If there's something you need to know about the Big Apple, send your question to AskAnita@channelnyc.com. And no matter what you ask, we won't judge. Thanks for watching. Till next time, I'm Anita Bonita for Channel NYC.